Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Intuit QuickBooks step by step clearly. To invest in Intuit QuickBooks, first, research the company and its financial health. Visit Intuit's official website to gather information about their services and products. Familiarize yourself with the different versions of QuickBooks, including online, desktop, and enterprise. Identify the features that best suit your business needs. Create an account on a reliable financial platform for trading stocks. Complete the registration process by providing personal information and verifying your identity. Once your account is set up, research into its stock performance using various financial news sites or apps. Look for the ticker symbol for Intuit, which is INTU. Analyze Intuit's financial statements, including their revenue, profit margins, and market trends. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized investment advice. Decide on the amount you want to invest based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Log into your trading account and search for INTU. Place an order to buy shares of Intuit, selecting the type of order that suits your strategy, market, or limit. After purchasing, monitor your investment regularly to evaluate its performance. Stay informed about industry news and updates that may affect Intuit and the broader market. Consider setting a target for when to sell your shares, whether it's a profit goal or a specific time. Review your investment strategy periodically and adjust based on market conditions and your financial objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.